We are out of the Keys and we are in Santos, Florida at the bike trailhead because I have something to show you. But first, it's the most wonderful time of year. No, I don't mean Christmas. I mean corned beef time. St. Patrick's Day. Thus the rainbow shirt and the green nails. I'm all in.
What about the other St. Patrick's Day outfit you have?
Oh, do you think I'm going to let this day go by without that making an appearance? Just you wait. We stopped off. We got a corned beef. We got some cabbage. We are not cooking the cabbage. We're going to make a slaw. We're going to hit the trails here, the mountain bike trails. I've never been, but that leads me to something I have to show you. Let's get this corned beef in the Instant Pot first and get the slaw prepped.
Sure.
And then...
I'm excited. I haven't been riding here for a while. It's Santos, Florida. It's kind of a central, maybe south central Florida.
Yeah.
It's if you're into cycling, whether it's road or mountain, there's a campground here. This is a really nice day use area, picnic area. There's a little skills track. We'll show you that. A pump track. There's kids on a pump track, and there's like hundreds of miles of mountain bike trails. There's a out and back, really nice paved road bike route. That's, I think, out and back. It's total like 32 miles, but it's an awesome place to come, and I like to mountain bike it.
I've never mountain biked it, so today's the day.
She got something, I had to lose something.
Yeah, there was some compromise.
Yeah, in a good way.
Yeah. All right, let's just get this corned beef in so we can hit the trail.
So we can get everything prepped and cooking in the Instant Pot. Mm-hmm. Go do our riding, come back, and eat.
Yeah.
Now, I'm thinking, I like all the corned beef stuff, but there's nothing to me better than a corned beef sandwich.
Yeah, no, I'm into that.
Especially after burning some calories.
Yeah.
And a beer.
No thanks.
Can we cook it in beer?
Sure.
Okay.
Compromise. All right. All right. We got some cabbage, shredded kind of. I chopped it, maybe not so finely.
My mom used to chop it up really small.
Like, what do you mean? Like diced?
Yeah, almost diced up, but this will be good. Well, I'm not saying what my mom used to do. But one thing my mom, she always made coleslaw. We always had a big garden. She always salted the cabbage pretty good.
Yeah, so this draws moisture out, eh?
Yeah, she would soak it for like an hour or two in the salt, let it sit there, and then she would rinse it and drain it, dry it off, and then she would add the mayonnaise stuff. That way, when you ever have coleslaw that's all watery, usually like a restaurant, they bring you like a cup of coleslaw, and it's just kind of runny, watery.
Yeah.
That's because when they add their dressing to the cabbage with the salt in it.
I get it.
Yeah. My mom taught me.
So we'll let this sit.
So we can set while the...
Set it and forget it. But we got to get that corned beef in there now. Are we going to put beer in there? We need the liquid in there first.
Can't you just pour it over the beef?
Sure. I don't see why not. Is that going to be enough? That's why I didn't know.
Do you mean I have to open a beer?
Yeah.
Okay.
I shook it real good first.
Just under the trivet?
Yeah. That's probably good because it has enough juices too.
I'm gonna get back from the ride.
Okay.
Flat beer.
Yeah.
Wasted though.
Delicious.
Okay.
Nailed it. I'm gonna set that for 90 minutes high. There we go. Okay. First we'll show you what Dave got recently. What did you get? It's show and tell time.
So, I've had a hardtail mountain bike for quite a few years, and I've never had a full suspension bike, but every time I ride some real technical, rocky, woody trails, I always want a full suspension because I just get better traction and so on. So I sold the hardtail, found this used giant Anthem full suspension mountain bike. And if you follow us, you know that when we built this van, we built it with the bed up high, so I have a garage, and I've had my road bike and my mountain bike in the garage under the bed. And Irene's never been one that's really got into biking that much, so it was always kind of my thing. But she decided she wanted to get a mountain bike.
Yeah, I had a bike Let me get the
We
camera.
packed that thing thousands of miles.
I had a bike and we used it occasionally. I used it occasionally, but I ended up selling it in Oregon. We were getting rid of a bunch of stuff last time we were there, and I sold it so he could haul more bikes. But I decided I wanted another bike.
So to do that, I had to get rid of something. So we put my road bike and stored it.
Yeah.
And so now we got her a
Yeah.
really nice mountain bike.
Look at this bike. Wait here, let me show. I'll show them. Look at this bike. Don't I look fast? Isn't this gonna be an awesome bike?
Super lightweight, really good components.
It's new to us. Bought it from an awesome couple we found on Facebook Marketplace. So this is the first day out with it, really.
Right, so we're at Santos, so I want to have Irene ride the skills track for the first time while I film it, just to see how good that goes.
I feel like I should hit the trail first, actually.
Okay, we can do that.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
She's got cleats on her shoes, real mountain biking shoes, so she's gonna clip into the pedals. So hopefully we don't tip over.
Camera looked weird. Okay, sorry.
Hopefully we don't tip over at all today. Just gotta remember to unclip when you stop.
Yeah.
There'll be something that'll happen at least once today that'll remind you to unclip when you stop.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm fairly certain I'm going down today. I'm not clipped it, but I'll get there when I get going, right? I am nervous. There's a lot of people here.
Once you hit the trail, it'll be fine.
I don't even know where the trail is. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, clipped it.
Yay. Think?
That was fun.
I think we've only been gone maybe about an hour,
Okay.
but there's so many trails, but it's like we were all on pretty beginner, easy, flowy single track, never really any technical stuff.
Yeah.
So apparently there's
Which
some.
is what I need.
Yeah,
I haven't fallen down yet. I almost
you
did.
shouldn't have said that.
Okay, no, you know what I don't like? Other people on the trail. Do they not know I'm coming? Get out of my way. I can't stop people. I wish it was a one-way trail, because when we would meet with people, it was hard to like unclip, and
It gets easier.
I'm just learning. This is the first time really using the clip-ins, so yeah. Time to get cleaned up and check on that corned beef, huh?
I was thinking beer.
You would be. Dave's tending to this law.
Hi, Pistol. You don't like cabbage, and cabbage certainly don't like you.
Oh, but she likes green beans. Let me see if I can oblige. Oops, not apple cider vinegar, green beans. Oof, you got a lot, girl. Crystal, are those yummy? You've dried the cabbage. Now the bowl needs dried. And then what are we putting in this?
Little apple cider vinegar, little mayonnaise, and
A little of our mustard sauce from Publix that we love.
dude, I hadn't thought of that.
Yeah, I got it out. I thought of that.
And then we don't need to add salt because I didn't rinse this. I just dried it.
Oh,
So
okay.
save the salt from that. and a good amount of pepper.
Oh yeah, lots of pepper.
9 minutes.
Okay.
Give me sandwich queen.
Oh, I'm not a sandwich queen. I am using Thousand Island because that's the closest thing I've got to Russian, right? Then over on this side, I'm doing a little bit of that mustard sauce.
That what?
Mustard sauce. I don't know why you have to say it like that, but you do.
I like your leprechaun shirt.
Not just that. I've got the full-on
You're gonna
jumpsuit.
turn some heads out here at the trailhead.
Okay, let me tell you about this green velour. This is vintage. I've had this longer than I've had you. And I have the matching pants. Velour, green velour, and they fit. So it was a toss-up. I couldn't decide between the green sequin jumpsuit or the green velour outfit. So I just combined them both, but
Very festive.
The things we travel with. These are band necessities.
Third sauce.
I'm adding mayo.
You're the sauce queen.
I don't like a dry sandwich. I'm telling you right now.
Man, that looks good.
Do you want me to do yours too?
No.
You're more of a dry guy, so. Okay. Yummy, yummy. What's our plans coming up? I think more time on the bike. You know what? There's somewhere around here that may have some gator, fresh gator meat. We're getting a lead on that. So maybe next time you see us, we are going to be trying gator. I want to try it 2 ways.
Definitely want to make the gator bites.
Yeah.
But then I know it's kind of tough, so I thought maybe we could. Remember when they cooked the Wiener Schnitzel a while back? How I pounded that real thin inside the Ziploc? I say we take the gator, cut some pieces, flatten it out, throw it in a marinade, and we put it on our new flat pack grill.
Yeah. So maybe some gator if we can get our hands on that. And we want to show you a grill that we have. Yeah.
We keep talking about it, we never show it.
I know. It's time.
It's definitely time.
Beyond time. All right. See you on the trail.
Carry on.
Carry on.